That's Chin. Loved it.
Sila matapagnood ah.
Grabe si Love. He looked the part. Oh my goodness.
Intense, ano?
Yeah.
Oh, but yun. Okay,
Hi, Catch. Nice dancing.
Oo, pero pag umaga
Direct Marty in the house. Hey, Direct Marty. Happy to see you again. What did you think of the film?
Parang nung simula pa lang, alam ko ng special experience siya. Tapos nung natapos siya, parang mas lalo akong fulfilled na. Parang as filmmakers, ang gandang makakita ng pelikulang binibreak lahat ng boundaries na akala natin nag-exist. Lalo na live pa yung score. Tapos alam mo, nakita mo yung filmmaker at yung pelikula niya sa harap. Yung sinihan na to, na significance. So, wala, so special. And I'm happy so.
I know you're working on your second full length. So, it's ongoing, right?
Sign off.
Yeah.
It's always ongoing.
So, anything you could take from this film na you could apply for your next
Ako
movie?
yung meron. Yung fearlessness na pagagawa ng pelikula and yung trust sa audience na willing silang mag-experience ng kahit ano while watching.
Thank you and good luck sa second film. Direct Kevin, congratulations.
Ayos.